My name is Dayna Ryan. I am the Director of Operations here at Grand Traverse Industries. Since 1974, GTI has been a stakeholder and a leader developing employment support services and engaging day programs for people with disabilities all throughout northern Michigan. We have a variety of work that's available for people of all abilities, really at a very entry level scale, all the way to independent employment placement. We have a variety of supportive employment work opportunities with local companies that we partner with our manufacturing and assembly work.
In addition to all of the amazing work opportunities that we have for our folks, we also provide day programming. So people have the opportunity to have a meaningful day, whether that is through employment or whether that is through social outings and adventures into the community. This is a population that loves, and everything they do is just so full of love. So the more opportunities we can give them to share who they are with the community, to give them an opportunity to learn and grow in different social settings, even though somebody may not have the desire to work, they still have the desire to contribute. They still have the desire to give back to their community, to make a difference.
We don't look at somebody as any one thing. We look at them as an individual, as a whole, and we try to provide that support all the way around. I look at GTI personally as a community center. It's a place where people choose to be here. It's a place where people can learn and grow and build relationships.
Everyone is so grateful for every little thing you do for them. This is the most gratitude-filled people that I have ever worked with. They don't take things for granted. They love every opportunity that they're given, and they make the most of it, and they live life to the fullest. So our folks really are unique, and they're a gift to our community. We want to share that gift.